Hello, dear friends. How are you? I think you all are good. I'm also good. So today is my another class where I will teach you English in a very simple way. If you do my class, you can learn English, you can speak English, you can improve your listening. Promise me that you can do this whole class so that you can improve your English. And today our topic is what is present continuous. In this class, I will teach you what is present continuous, and I am giving you the reminder that is I am teaching you tenses. Tense means time. Okay, so there I am going to teach you tense, and today our tense name is present continuous. Okay, so let's write the topic name, which is present, present, present continuous. Okay, so as you can see here, present continuous, and I taught you in my previous class what is past continuous, and today I will teach you present continuous, and I give you a memory which is, if you see present continuous, there will be v4. V4 means verb plus ing, verb plus ing. Okay, so this is v4. So today I will teach you what is present continuous. If you do my whole class, you can speak English, you can make sentences. So you should do my whole class. So present continuous is so easy. First, you have to write this structure: subject plus auxiliary verb. Subject plus auxiliary verb am or is or are. So subject, after taking subject, you should take am, is, are. Okay, you should take one. Okay, you should take one. It could be am, it could be is or are. Then we need v4. V4 means verb ing. Okay, so continuous. If you say, if you listen, if anyone asks you that, brother, what is continuous tense, you always remember these things, that continuous means always verb ing. In the continuous tense, you can see the v form, v4. Okay, so now if I write an example, suppose I am speaking English. I am speaking English. So this is so amazing example for you, because this is the real time example that I am giving to all of you. So here I write I. I is equals to subject. Am is equals to auxiliary verb, and speaking is equals to verb ing. And here English is a object. Okay, so this is so amazing and so nice if you can understand this sentence. If you remember this structure, if you remember this structure, you can make lots of sentence, hundreds of sentence and thousands of sentence, just remembering this structure: subject am is there plus verb ing. This is the structure of present continuous. Then if I write another simple, which is by using is. Okay, so he is watching. He is watching. I always try to give real time example. He is watching my class. Okay, so he is watching my class. Here he is the pronoun, and pronoun and noun can be subject. I told you many of times that pronoun and noun can be subject. So here I is the noun pronoun and he is the pronoun. Okay, so suppose Rohim, Rohim is the noun. So instead of Rohim, I use he. So I can also say that Rohim is watching my class. I can also say he is watching my class. So here he is the pronoun of Rohim. Okay, so like this we can learn English. Now he is watching my class. He is watching my class. This is the example of present continuous tense. Now we need to make another example by using are. Okay, so the example will be, you are, you you are you are watching, you are watching my class. Okay, Do you understand everything? Let me know if you understand or not. Here I write you are watching. You are watching my class. Okay? Why? Because you is the subject and are is the auxiliary verb. Then we need verb plus ing. So here watch is a verb and with watch I add ing. I add ing and ing. So always in present continuous tense you can see the ing form. Okay? You can see the ing form. So now remove this, and this is my another whiteboard where I am doing to take class so that you can understand properly. And I bought this whiteboard only for you. Okay, only for you. So you must do support. Okay. So now if I take any noun. Okay. So which is Rohim. Rohim is learning. Here learn is a verb. Here learn is a verb, but I need to make ing with the verb because this is continuous, and continuous means verb plus ing. In the form of verb it always verb plus ing. So Rohim is learning English. This is my English podcast. Why it is English? Because if you watch this podcast, you can improve your speaking as well as your listening. That's why I am making this class in English. Okay. Also, there is all many of types Bangla video according to the English. Okay. There are lots of Bengali video in my YouTube channel. If you don't understand this class, you can do that class. It is so easy. So here I write that Rohim is learning English. Here Rohim is a noun. Okay. Now I am taking another noun which is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is improving. Bangladesh is improving. So this is another noun. Bangladesh is improving. Rohim is learning English. Bangladesh is improving. You are watching my video. I am speaking English. You are learning English. I am teaching you English. Okay? You are using your phone. You are using your phone. I am using my camera so that I can make this video. Okay? So here you can see Bangladesh. Okay? Like this we can write lots of example, lots of hundred of example. No problem. We don't have any problem. Just what we need? We need subject, then we need an auxiliary verb, am is there, then we need verb ing. Simple. So I am teaching English. I am teaching English. So like this, we can make lots of sentences, thousands of sentences. And today our topic is present continuous. In previous class, I taught you what is present indefinite. Like this, I am teaching you everything. I am teaching you every single day a specific topic which is very important for tense, for spoken English. Okay. Suppose if you don't know present continuous tense, you cannot speak English. You cannot make sentences like this. I am speaking, I am reading, I am going, I am walking, I am watching, okay, I am following, you are watching, you are doing my class. You cannot make these sentences without this structure. The structure is so clear. Subject, am is there, plus verb plus ing. I am going to write this structure. Subject plus am is are yes verb ing. So if you follow this structure, you can make lots of sentences. Okay, so please don't worry and make sentences like this. Okay, and the thing is very clear. If you really want to improve your English, if you really want to speak English, what you have to do? You have to do only one thing. The thing is just practice. Every day you have to practice.